In this video, we will see how scientifically it cannot be proved that a star was born when Jesus was born, and then a star has shown exactly the place where Jesus was in his hut. So it is said in the chapter number 2 of Matthews that the Parthian priests who were called Magi, the Parthian priests in eastern Iran, they have seen a new star in the sky. And according to their tradition, this was the indication of the fact that a heavenly person has taken birth somewhere. So they came to know that a heavenly person has taken birth, and according to their divine inspiration, they went towards the west and reached Bethlehem. And then the same star came down very close to the earth and guided these Magi priests exactly to the place where Jesus was playing in the lap of Mary. So, after meeting with the child, they were overjoyed to see that heavenly child has finally taken birth. They have given gifts and then they went back to their own country. But the thing is that if we believe that a new star has come on the sky and which was visible to us, so we know that universe is expanding every day. New star is taking birth and some old star are dying also. So it is quite possible that at that time when Jesus took birth, a new star might have come in the universe and which was visible to those Magi priests. But stars, the closest star to us is sun. Apart from sun, the nearest star other than sun in our galaxy is 4-5 light years away. Normally the stars are even farther than this. Some stars are 400 light years away, some 500 light years away. Let us assume that it is to be very reasonable with the birth of Jesus. Let us assume this star was very near and it was about 5-6 light year away. That means, and it is inferred that it was a new star which came on the sky. So the star which was seen by Magi priest actually came into being some 4-5 years ago, not exactly at the time when Magi priest saw. What I mean to say is that because stars are 5-6-7 light years away minimum, so any star that has taken birth 6 years ago, for example, if the star is 6 light years away from us, then if the star has taken birth 6 years ago, then that star will be visible now. You understand this point? And if a star is 50 light years away, then that star we can see 50 just now. Suppose for example today that star has taken birth, then we cannot see it immediately in the sky. We will be able to see 50 years from now. So the star which Magi priest have seen, that might have taken birth some 5-6-7-50-60 years ago. So, and therefore, whether we should presume that the star was aware of this fact that Jesus is going to take birth after 5-6 years or 7 years or 10 years, and therefore it has taken birth so that when it is visible to Magi priest after 6-7 years, then they will understand that a child has born. So this is totally fallacious. It is not possible. And moreover, how that star came very near to the earth, so much so that it is possible for the star to guide those Magi priests exactly to the place where Jesus was playing in the lap of her mother Mary. Is it possible? If a star comes near to the earth, then it should look much bigger than what it should have been. And due to gravity, the earth should move towards the star, because the star is normally far bigger than earth. Our sun is also a star. So all these things is totally fallacious, because of the fact that we know that light reaches to us and it takes time. And for the stars, a newborn star, for example, a newborn star, which is, for example, today some star has taken birth, and that star is some 10 to 15 light years away. So we will be able to know about that star only after 10 to 15 years from now. For example, in 2020, 15 June, a new star has taken birth in the universe, and it is not so much far away, so we will be in a position to see its presence in the sky. So but it is 15 light years away, so we will be able to see that star only 15 years from now. So what star Magi priest must have seen in the sky that might have taken birth some several years ago? So how can it be possible? If a star was having some prescience and he has done that movement some 5-6 years ago, then this thing might have been mentioned, but it is not mentioned. So that's why it is totally fake, the birth of Jesus and the coming of the star in the sky and star guiding the priest right up to the place where Jesus has taken birth is totally and completely false.